Hi, welcome to the Women of Skill Hub. Today we're going to learn how to make dunked wings. Okay, what do we have here? Obviously we are saying wings. We'll be using wings. So these are nicely washed wings. We'll be using flour, barbecue sauce, paprika, Portuguese chicken, black pepper, cayenne pepper. This is honey and this is salt. Okay, so to start with, in a separate bowl, I will mix the flour. So this is about 125 grams of flour. I will add salt. This is a teaspoon of salt. I'll add a teaspoon of Portuguese chicken, a teaspoon of paprika, and a pinch of black pepper. I'll mix this together. You can also add the cayenne pepper if you like. I'll add a bit of it also. I'll mix everything together like that. Okay. So it should give us that reddish color. Like that. When I mix this, I'll start to dip, or I'll call it dust, my wings into this mixture. If you like, you can remove this part and that part to just remain with this, but if you like, you can do the entire wing. Okay, so there, this is how I'm doing it. Okay, so after dusting them like that, what's the next step? In a separate pot, we are going to make a sauce, and our sauce will be a mixture of honey and barbecue sauce. We'll let this boil for a good 3 to 5 minutes. Then we are going to mix this together and deep fry. So add honey, about 8 tablespoons of honey. Then we'll also add our barbecue sauce. There is our barbecue sauce. We'll mix this together and boil it. Baba Bwezere. Oh, it's not. After boiling for 3 to 5 minutes, it will look like this, brownish and thick. At this point, we'll get our wings like that. Dust off excess and dip like that. Whoa, quite hot. You can wait for it to cool though. Yeah. Okay, at this point, I'll place them like that. If you have a deep fryer at your house, you can use your deep fryer. We are using our pot, so we are deep frying. Remember, our wings, they are not partially cooked, so we need to deep fry so that they are cooked inside as well. Okay, our dunked wings are ready. Yep, you can place them carefully. I'll start with this one. that. Place the other one like that. Place the other one like that. Place the other one like that. Okay. Okay, at this point, if you like, you can still add on the sauce. Remember the sauce that we made earlier? Yes, you can add some sauce like that. Okay. This point, I'll carefully clean. Then I will garnish. Place them like that. Garnish with my basil. Can also add the others like that. Okay, ta-da! We are done.